sure has a lot of questions. If you look, you can see them everywhere. Use your mind to define energy and time. It's more than just some numbers on a page. Let's go with Sko. Vectors, friction, motion. Let's go with Sko. It's a lot more fun with a little commotion. Curiosity is the remedy. All you really need's velocity. Let's go with Sko. Professor Sko. Let's go with Sko. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go with Sko. Professor Sko.
Oh, hey, you're here! It's me, Professor Sko, and I'm sciencing down in the Florida Keys. How cool is that? If you saw our last video, then you know how off-the-charts amazing it is to dive a coral reef. The underwater world is amazing. As cool as it is, though, it's also endangered. Coral reefs in the United States are in danger of becoming extinct. Only 1 to 3% are still alive today. But there is a glimmer of good news. Want to know what that is? You can play a part in helping bring them back to life. Yeah, no matter where you live, you can play a part. Pretty soon, you'll see a Professor Sko convo where we talk to some amazing scientists whose sciencing involves restoring damaged reefs. They are going to tell us the danger of plastics that don't make it to the landfill. Want proof? Check this out. My friend Kara is here diving in the Florida Keys and finds this. Can you believe it? It's just a big hunk of plastic waiting to be accidentally eaten by a sea turtle or some other form of sea life that thinks it's underwater plant life. But what if you don't scuba dive or even live near Florida? No problemo. Even if you live in Nebraska or Idaho or Indiana, make sure your plastic is biodegradable, or at least makes it to the appropriate landfill. Better yet, use paper products whenever possible, because paper is biodegradable and renewable. Pretty cool, huh? Our friends at Moat Marine Laboratories are helping transplant colonies of coral to regrow portions of the reef. Take a look at this. It's a tag that helps marine biologists measure the growth of coral to determine its health and ability to revitalize this beautiful underwater garden of life. Hey, here's a question for you. Do you know the longest coral reef in the world? Don't know? Go to ProfessorSko.com and click on In the Know to find out. Check this out. Here's our friends from Dive Into Life working on something called coral fragmenting, or as the cool kids call it, fragging. Coral grows extremely slowly, but clipping it, just like pruning a bush on land, helps the coral grow much faster. You see Cameron with the clippers fragging the coral, while Kara strings them with fishing line, almost like she's making a Christmas ornament out of live coral. Now, they hang those ornaments on what's called a coral tree. This is called baby coral. Isn't that cute? On a tree, the baby coral grows nice and fast until they get fragged again. That's when they take all the little pieces of coral and plant them onto rock called substrate. Once the coral is ready to place onto the rock, they are called implants. Here, scraping the substrate, or rock, cleans it of all macroalgae that can interfere with the coral's growth, giving those implants a nice, clean place to grow. When our coral reefs are damaged, it takes a lot of work by a lot of people to save them and get them healthy again. I hope you enjoyed seeing how all of these good people are donating their time to help keep Florida's coral reefs alive. Until next time, keep sciencing!
Let's go with Sko. Vectors, friction, motion. Let's go with Sko. It's a lot more fun with a little commotion. Curiosity is the remedy. All you really need's velocity. Let's go with Sko. Professor Sko. Let's go with Sko. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go with Sko. Professor Sko.
Isn't that cute?